What's going on, guys? Welcome to part three. So if you missed parts one and two, there'll be a link up here at the top where you guys can go click on it and you can watch it. What we are doing in this series, this mini series, which is going to be about 8 parts, I'm actually showing you guys how to create affiliate marketing campaigns without using an autoresponder. So I know a lot of people talk about using an autoresponder. I'm going to show you guys how to do it without it. So far in the series, I've actually recommended the number one web page landing page builder that I recommend. You guys need to check that out. I'll also give you an idea of a product to promote for free. All this is for free. And we are actually getting ready to finish off the copy for our landing page. That way we can start sending traffic to it. Roll the intro.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So actually, let me close this out, guys. That way I can just work from one browser window. So as you can see, this is the exact same page that we pulled up for our affiliate link. Now this page right here is just a page from the actual company itself. So if you go down here, or if I signed up right now, nobody really would be getting any affiliate commissions, but I'm pretty sure ClickBank would probably get paid some way from the vendor. So ClickBank's going to get some money some kind of way. The company itself knows the specific copy that needs to be placed on this page. So why would you not use this copy? So what I'm actually going to do, guys, is go back to my ClickFunnels page, and actually all this copy I'm actually getting ready to delete. And I'm getting ready to delete this. And this is easy, guys. So you saw that I just pretty much deleted this. And you can go down here and you can put your name. I'm just going to put my name real quick, put Mike C. And you guys obviously have your own terms and conditions, privacy policies. So yours is going to be different from mine. And remember, guys, just to stay in compliance, if you are running ads to this page on Google or Facebook, make sure you put your disclaimer down here that this page is not associated with Google or Facebook. And the things right here, guys, what I'm getting ready to get into is pretty much just change this. Actually, we do not need this anymore. And more than likely, I'm going to keep the colors the same just for the sake of simplicity. And guys, just remember, I'm actually getting ready to integrate ManyChat into this. So I'm going to show you guys that. So hang on real quick, where I'm actually showing you guys where you do not need an autoresponder for this. So what I'm actually going to do now, guys, is just take some of the copy from this page and I'm going to put it on this page. So we have the most common missing factor in starting an online business. It could be this simple. So what I'm actually going to do is go back over here and kind of look at their title right here. It says, do you know the 3 simple steps you can take today to achieve your goals and objectives and stop procrastinating? So I'm actually going to reword this a little bit so I can have some copy from my landing page, because you don't want to copy this word for word, because what's going to happen is people are actually going to land on this page, which is your ClickFunnels page. This is your opt-in page, guys. I know you hear a lot of people talking about opt-in, but this is your opt-in page. So when people come to this page on ClickFunnels, they're going to opt in into your list. And I know, guys, I mentioned that there's a lot of different ways that affiliate marketers teach, or affiliate marketing experts or gurus teach affiliate marketing. And a lot of them do not tell you to create this page. So I'm telling you guys now to create this page. That way you can build your own list, because more than likely what a lot of affiliate marketing gurus and experts are trying to tell you to do is they're actually going to tell you to take this affiliate link and spam it everywhere, or at least send it out and promote this link. That's not what you want to do, because you have really no tracking device. And I know, guys, there is a way that you can plug this link into like a bit.ly, or you can plug it into a software called Rocket Link, which I use. But still, it's not giving you accurate measures. You are possibly taking you are getting data off of the people who are clicking the links, but you do not know specifically the type of person who is clicking. You don't know specifically. I mean, you can retarget them with ads and all that stuff, but you can't retarget them specifically. You can't send them an email. You can't send them a bot message, or you can't do anything, as far as with that. You can't do anything with them other than, just pretty much retarget them based off of hopefully your Facebook pixel working, or your Pinterest pixel working, or your Google Analytics working, because you can plug all that in. And once somebody clicks your link, then you can have all that data for the type of person who's clicking your link. But the easiest thing that you can do to retarget specifically to a person is to collect their email address, or to get them inside your bot where you can send them messages outside of, relying on Facebook or Google or anybody like that, or any other social media platform. So I'm actually going to reword this, guys, and I'm going to show you how you can create copy for your landing page. So right here it says, do you know the 3 simple steps you can take today to achieve your goals and objectives and stop procrastinating? So do you know the 3 simple steps? So it says the most common missing factor in starting an online business, it could be this simple. So actually I'm going to change this around. So it's going to say the most common missing factor in accomplishing your goals. The most common missing factor in accomplishing your goals, it could be this simple. Do you know the 3 simple steps you can take today to achieve your goals and objectives and stop procrastinating? So the most common missing factor in accomplishing your goals, use these easy 3 steps. And I'm coming up with this on the fly, bear that in mind. Just obviously I probably change this around a little bit when I am promoting this page. What is the most common missing factor in accomplishing your goals? It's simple as these easy. I think this sounds better, guys. Let me know if you can think of better copy. Put that in the comments below if you can actually, if I'm not the best copywriter whatsoever, but I do what I can, and I take what already exists and I make it better. And if you have some better ideas, let me know, type them in the comments, and I'll surely use them and I'll shout you out. What is the most common missing factor in accomplishing your goals? A simple 3-step system. And guys, just to see for the simplicity of using ClickFunnels, you can see how easy it is just to change all this around. A simple 3-step. I'm actually going to change this button around as well, guys. Settings. Let me move this over here, guys. So what is the most common missing factor in accomplishing your goals? A simple 3-step system. For the sake of this landing page, this is really not technically a landing page. Actually, this page was a white page copy. So the landing page was actually before this page. So obviously, guys, I do not have a headline. Actually, let me change that up. Let me add something here real quick, guys. I'm actually going to put a headline in there. Let's see, column. And I'm going to cut this, Control X. And you see how easy it is, guys, to maneuver around in ClickFunnels. Landing pages are pretty easy to create now. I'm actually trying to move this up a little bit. Actually, what I'll do, guys, is I will delete this once I'm done with it. And right now I want to create a sub headline, which that'll be this. Control X, Control X. And like I said, guys, I really don't care about the colors as of now. I'm just getting all my copy and stuff together. So I'm getting ready to delete that box. Now we pretty much have, and I'm going to delete this. Now we pretty much have something that really looks like, a landing page that you would see. And I actually want to space this out some. Let me see. That would be my top margin. Actually come here. And I'm getting ready to, let's see, font size. Just slide this down a little bit. So guys, if you're running solo ads, this would be a good page to run solo ads too, because it doesn't have much on there. And don't forget, I'm still getting ready to show you guys how you can put this button on here with ManyChat. So instead of people having to opt in right here on this page right here, because technically if I click this, remember this is the button, you have your name down here and you have a pop-up menu that I actually come up with. They can put in their name and email address. And you don't, remember guys, this is usually hooked up to an autoresponder, but you do not need an autoresponder if you have this button down here. But you always want to give people two options. Some people may not want Messenger, and so you really don't want to force people into Messenger. Most people are used to an email and they're used to giving their name. But with this situation right here, guys, you don't necessarily want to force people into Messenger.